Hello guys, today I want to show you how to clone disk using Macrium Reflect. So head over to Google and type in Macrium Reflect free download, and head over to this first link to download the free 30 days trial of Macrium Reflect. Just select Discover Macrium Reflect, and then just click on this and log in with your account. Choose 64-bit and log in with your account. Then you'll be granted to download this setup. After that, open Macrium Reflect on your desktop. Choose the disk that you want to clone. Here I have my main disk and other 3 partitions of my disk. For example, click on this and click on Clone this disk. So you're gonna need here to select your destination disk for the clone. For example, let's add this one. So, select this disk. After you successfully added your disk of the destination, just click Next and just click on Finish, and you should be good to go to begin your cloning operation. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.